Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to design graphics using Canva. In order to do that, you can actually just choose which graphic you want. It can be a whiteboard, presentation, social media, and website if you want to. So for example, let's make in here a presentation. Just head over and then click on that. Now you will be prompted with a blank page of Canva, but you can also start with a template if you want. So in order to see the templates you have available, click on design and you can see in here a lot of templates. You can also search for presentation templates that you can actually use. So if you want to actually design it from scratch, you can head over and click on elements right here and then add some things. Now for example, you can add shapes. So you can position the shapes right here, any part of the page, and you can also change its actual colors and the likes from in here. Now, once you have done that, you can also add in here some text that you can add on your presentation. You can put in here a lot of things, like for example, business template. So you can actually edit it out to your heart's liking, and you can also choose some font combinations if you want. And under the uploads right here, you can upload videos or records or images that you want, and you can also draw, add some projects and apps, and also bulk create. So for example, right here, we can try to actually click on elements, and for example, you try to search in here for cow. So the cow right here have some graphics. It also have some photos and videos. And also, ironically, it have shapes, audios, frames, and likes. So for example, let's choose in here some graphics. So you can add some graphics from in here and then add them to your template. You can resize them if you want. And you can edit out your graphics by just clicking on them, clicking edit right here. And then once you have click on that edit option, it should be able to open this one wherein you can choose your filter, Magic Studio, images, adjust, effects, apps, and the likes right here wherein you can flip it this particular graphic right here. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.